Goodbye casita life, hello caravan life. And another chapter ends, folks, and the new one has begun. As you can see, there's not much room under here. We went to Harbor Freight, yeah, and we picked this up. It's got a 13,000 pound capacity. I got a gravel driveway, so you get more contact. See on the bottom, it goes all the way across. This thing gets huge. Boy, look at it. It's got the non-skid surface. We've got gloves to keep the oil off of us. 15/16 to remove the filter cap. An adapter. And a low profile oil pan. 7-quart drain. We're all set up to change oil in our 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. Picked these up at Harbor Freight this morning. Got everything ready. Yeah, these did great. They're really wide. I love them. Look how clean this is. How clean that is. Never been on the dirt road. Ooh. Yeah, I heard a lot of bad things about the a certain oil place in town, so I'm not going to use them anymore and do it myself. It's not bad at all. It's called Valvoline Instant Oil Change. See what they charge.
Brian, how may I help you?
Hi, I've got a 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan, 6 quarts. What do y'all change for an oil change? Charge for an oil change?
$44.99 for the conventional. That's up to 5 quarts. The additional 4 will be an additional charge, and it'll be $64.99 for the synthetic blend, $89.99 for the full synthetic.
Hey guys, well, doing the oil change myself compared to Valvoline Service oil change here in town for a synthetic blend oil. My total cost, including tax, $49.57, and I got the oil at Walmart and filter. Had to buy 2 5-quart jugs because it's 6 quarts for the 2014 Dodge Grand Caravan. So I paid $49.57. That includes tax. And Valvoline Service Center, you just heard, when it comes to tax and everything, $96.26. Man, I saved $46.71. So almost, let's see, the ramps were like, you know, $63 tax and all. So I about got them paid for. So one more oil change and I'll be ahead a little bit. Then I'll be ahead a lot more after that. So just thought you might want to know, guys. Caravan Dan Adventures. Keep on watching. Thank you. Okay, well, thank you.
Yes, sir. You have a great day.
You too. Don't have to do the filter under here. That's what I like about it. We got to loosen up that screw down there for this. We got, it would take this whole thing off, get it out of the way, because it's right down there. It's just plastic, I think, with a O-ring around the, I guess at the base of this cap or the oil filter. That's what it looks like. It's got the O-ring up there at the top. Okay, let's get it out. We'll oil up the new O-ring good. We gave up the casita life for the van life.